This video is an overview of image classification. In particular, what is image classification? Challenges of image classification. Image classification is the process of taking an image or picture and getting a computer to automatically classify it, or try providing the probability of the class of the image. A class is essentially a label, for instance, cat, car, building, and so on. Image classification has many popular use cases and is used in everyday life. For example, if you have a smartphone, we can see some of our pictures organized by friends, families, trips, etc. Image classification is also used in radiology to help medical professionals identify anomalies in X-rays. Image classification is also used in self-driving cars to classify images around them to help the car identify how to navigate the road. We usually start with a subset of categories or classes, for example, cats and dogs. We use the label Y to represent the classes the image belongs to. Y equals 0 for cat. Y equals 1 for dog. Computers can't understand images, but they can understand the intensity values of a digital image. We will use the intensity values to classify the image. We let X represent the image we want to classify. In the RGB case, it's a three-dimension array, or tensor. All images must have the same number of rows and columns. We can use the grayscale intensities. We also represent this with X. Again, all images must have the same number of rows and columns. A dataset is a set of images X and labels Y. Here we have a dataset with 7 samples. The comma is used to indicate that they are together. It's like saying for image X4, Y4 equals 1. That is a dog. We also have a dataset with more than one class. Here is the MNIST database, a large database of handwritten digits. Y can take on the value from 0 to 9. Here are 160 of the 60,000 small square 28 by 28 pixel grayscale images of handwritten single digits. The final goal of the module is to come up with a Python function that takes the input image and outputs a class. But there are many challenges. Challenges of image classification. There are many challenges with the image classification. Consider the cat and dog example. Change in viewport. Change of illumination. Deformation. Occlusion. Background clutter. Due to the challenges of classifying images, we will review several machine learning supervised methods for image classification. K-nearest neighbors. Feature extraction. Linear classifiers. Because there are so many frameworks, we will not cover the code in the videos. Check out the labs for code examples.